Alright, today I'm going to walk you through on how to turn on the Windows Defender in your PC. Alright, Windows 11 is a good antivirus software you need to make active always on your PC. The first step is to click on the Start button. You will see these settings here. If you can't find it, click here and search for it and then select it. Once you're on this settings page, the next step is to click on Privacy and Security. Then select this option, Windows Security. On this Windows Security page, click on Open Windows Security. This new page will open here, so click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then come down to this section and click on Turn On. A notification will show up on the screen of your PC asking you whether you want the app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you some other time.